Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and this is an improvement that we made. So we've got a program called Label It, and what it does is we're able to print, as parts come off of the CNC, we put the labeler here at the end and we label those parts. And so it's got all kinds of information on it, where to edge band it, cabinet and all that. So in the past, we had a labeler, exact same labeler, just a little bit different setup on it. And you would print out the label and you would have to peel the label off. So you'd have to stop and peel that label off. Well, what I found out the other day was they actually make a printer that comes with an automatic peeler on it. So we tell it to print a label and we come down here and we hit print one label and it prints the label. We accidentally printed two there, but it pulls the label has been already peeled, and so all you have to do is just pick it up and now you can stick it on the part and you don't have to struggle, especially if you're wearing gloves when you're working with this stuff. You don't have to struggle to separate it from the paper. It just automatically peels that. The label's ready to grab and you're ready to place just like that. Super easy improvement. So this is it's a Zebra printer, and you just buy one. Some of them allow you to add this attachment to them, or you have to buy a new computer or a new one. We just bought this one. I want to say we were $999 for it with the peeler and everything on it.